Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you all know, IP का राउंड 3 का रिजल्ट इज़ आउट. तो IP की साइट पे थोड़ी सी गाइडलाइंस अपलोड कर दी हैं आफ्टर द राउंड 3 रिजल्ट. After going through this document, we can make out that the college will start from 2nd September. Almost all IP University colleges will start from 2nd, 3rd और 4th. So इन 3 डेट्स में से किसी दिन तो पक्का कॉलेज शुरू हो जाएगा. Before I start this video, please subscribe to my channel and help an organic YouTuber grow. Thank you. Now, if you've been allotted a college, the reporting time for everyone who has been allotted a college in round 1, 2 or 3 will have to start the reporting from 29th August. The last date for reporting and verification of documents is 1st September. What I think is mostly all the people will go on 29th or 1st because of Rakhi, which is on either 30th or 31st. After you have paid the 60,000 for the allotment of the seat, now this is all that you need for the complete admission process. So first of all, in the reporting, you will require IP ka online registration form. And keep in mind, we need hard copies of all of the documents which are stated here. On the website, there is like a full download window where you can download the online registration form where we first paid the 1500 and our candidate profile, everything. Next thing we'll need are 4 passport size photographs which are to be the same as which was in the application form. So the third thing we need is the set rank card. So this document is also on the website. You can see the like download letter thing on the website, and from there you can download everything which is written here. And then we need the set admit card. So when we were giving the exam, एक बड़ा सा paper था for the admit card and half of it had to be cut and the other half they said was to be kept with us. And they said it again and again that we need to keep it like safely with ourselves because we will need this during the admissions. So if you can't remember, I'll show mine right here. So the fourth thing we need is what we uploaded on the website, which was the mark sheets, which show like our date of birth and the fact that we have passed the examination. So we need secondary school mark sheet and certificate, which I think is 10th and 12th ka certificate. And they've written original and photocopy, so we'll bring both the things. So the next thing is if you have like got certificates for open learning classes, which means like if you attended open school and you did not go to regular school, then you have to bring those documents. And then there is a physical fitness certificate. I was confused about what this was. When I checked the website, there is like a full form which we need to like get a printout of, and then we need to go to a doctor and get them to fill like our form. See, all the students shall be required to submit a medical certificate indicating fitness from a registered medical practitioner as per format given in the performer of medical certificate given in the admission brochure 2023-24. So I'll put like a picture here. You can take a screenshot and then get it printed out. Copy of online reserved categories verification slip. So if you belong to a category, then you have to bring a copy of the verification slip. And the certificate you have for your quota, that certificate originally you need to bring and a photocopy, and उसपे self attested लिखा होना चाहिए photocopy पे. And when we like passed out from school, they gave us few documents, out of which one was the character certificate. If you have not acquired that yet, you can go to your school and get it. So that original character certificate we need to show at like the reporting. Then proof of payment of part academic fee, which was the 60,000 we paid earlier or you're paying now after the round 3. So uska ek download letter hai on the website. You just have to download that letter and uska print out nikalna. So next comes the balance fee, which is to be paid. Here they have written ki on the website there is a sub column which states online collection of various fee. From there we need to see कि हमारे कॉलेज और कोर्स की क्या फीस है और हमें कौन सा मतलब कितना अमाउंट हमारा रहता है अब. So that amount is to be paid either through net banking, credit card, debit card, and if you want to pay offline, then a demand draft has to be issued from your respective bank. Then of course आधार कार्ड तो अपना लेके जाना ही है वो तो of course. And if you do not go to this stipulated reporting time, then your seat will be cancelled and the seats will then be allotted in the spot rounds. And if you want to withdraw from IP, then the time given is from 29th to again 1st September. During that time, a withdraw ka option will be available on the site. First, you have to log in. On this site, first you have to log in, and after that, you have to click the withdrawal and do everything which it asks you to do. So personally, I would suggest you to like take a printout of everything on the website which is available, like the candidate profile, all the receipts of the, first of all the 1500 we paid, then the 60,000 we paid. So here you can see ki download seat allotment letter is there. So you have to click on that and then you have to download this letter which is there. So इसी लेटर में आपकी रैंक भी लिखी है, आपका अलॉटमेंट कैटेगरी, आपका इंस्टीट्यूट नेम और प्रोग्राम नेम and your roll number. So you have to download provisional allotment letter right here. So yes, we need like the printouts of the counseling fee we paid like 1000, then the registration fee which was 1500, and the fee payment for seat acceptance which was 60,000. Then the candidate profile which we have, this contains our rank again as well. So you can download candidate profile. So here on the website you can see view/download letters. So I'll click this and then I can select whichever document I want to like take a printout of. I'll put a picture here. So there are generated log choice letter, generated allotment letter, generated candidate profile letter. So I would advise you to take a printout of everything you can download on this website. So other than that, everything which is to be carried by you, I have already stated, and I will put a link of this document in my description so you can check it out for yourself. I hope I could clear everything which is required for the reporting and the admission process. I will be doing everything simultaneously as well, so if you have any doubts you can definitely comment. Otherwise I will vlog on the day I go to the reporting on 29th. So if you want you can like wait on 29th and then see ki kya actually process tha and go on 31st of 1st. So yes, that is everything you need to know for the IPU admission process. The session is to start on 2nd September most probably, and I will be uploading videos about that as well. So you can please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.